How to fix manage on-screen keyboard problem. So let's go. So first go to setting. Now click on additional setting. Click on application management. Now scroll down and find Gboard. Click on Gboard. Now first clear data. Tap on OK. Now go back and go to Play Store. Now search Gboard. Click on Open. Click on Enable and Setting. Now turn off Google Voice typing and enable Gboard. Click on OK. Now click on Select Input Method. Choose Gboard and click on Done button. Now choose your language. Now your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching.